Hi guys, Dan with Index Option Trading, and I'm looking at here the chart of SPX market close. We had a doji close here. We had a hard selling here on Monday, Tuesday, and then Monday was a holiday. Tuesday it went down again. It recovered a little bit, and today it gapped down and finished with a doji close. And the stochastic, now that was extremely overbought, now is extremely oversold. Readings are about 18, which is a very oversold readings right now on the stochastics. So the market is oversold right now, but SPX did not touch its 50-day moving average. I was expecting this in 1300 or less, but it hasn't, and it just stayed here at 1306. It may try again tomorrow to touch 1300 or go below it a little bit, and then it should really bounce off because getting extremely oversold. If you look at some other activity, McKellen oscillator, take a look at this McKellen oscillator, and it has only is sitting here at minus 88 readings, which is oversold readings. Not a whole lot, but it's still oversold. But we go back again here, and I'm going back and forth. But this channel, remember this channel that we were in here since December, 3 months almost, is now clearly broken. You can see that the trend lines are broken, the direction of the trend has changed, and it's not as sharp a trend it could be. It can come back here and then move sideways or just go back up again here. In order to go back up here, it has to go up to 1325 and above. So market starts getting up to 1325, we're getting back into the channel, but otherwise we're not. And more I expect is that try to make another go at the 50-day moving average. That's what it should do. It can do. And same thing here with DJI. Let's look at it. Dow Jones, same thing here. The upper channel that we were traveling here day after day, remember, day after day, that is all broken and gone. It always ends. The good party is gone. And so they start selling these things, and today we had a really bottoming tail here again with a red candle. It's not a white candle, it's a red candle, which means the selling dominated this candle more than anything here. The stochastics was extremely overbought, has been worked off, and is now oversold, which is great. And the Dow Jones is sitting here with this oversold readings. But let's take a look at the broad market, which is RUT, Russell 2000. And the same story here. This channel that we were in here broke, and then we came down here, touched the 50-day moving average. RUT did that very nicely, and we haven't gone down below 800. Otherwise I would be manipulating these situations here, but we're sitting here at 804, and it's comfortable as long as it stays here and then bounces right back up here. And the market is getting extremely oversold here at 20 readings on the stochastics. So the market is getting oversold. Has been seen several down days, and let's go and check SPY and the direction and the volume. The volume in the last 3 days have been heavy. These are all distribution type days here. Today was heavier volume than yesterday, and today was also a distribution day. Extremely oversold. That means a lot of institutional people were selling a lot of stuff here into the market, and they were buying. And so we have extremely oversold readings on the stock market. Whenever it happens like this, the stochastic gets here at this level, here and here in August, it always bounces back, but it hasn't bounced back, so we don't know. It may try to go down here to this 50-day moving average, about 127, 113, 129 or some change here. So but this trend that we were in clearly has been broken, and it is apparent from the chart and from last 3 days of action. So take it what it is and move, and let's go with it. Some of the stocks, leading stocks, NFLX, this is Netflix, did not touch its 50-day moving average, but managed to close a little above, and today it went up 4 points, sitting at 215. It's also extremely oversold. There has been heavy duty volumes in the last 2 days. That is distribution. That means selling by the institutional traders here. On the other stock, POT that we're looking at it here, had a big bottoming tail touching 50-day moving average and moved up a little bit today and gave us some profitability here. It's 173. It's above its 50-day moving average, and the stochastic has a hook. It's turning now, so hopefully this should go up higher from here to 180 levels, and if it does, it will be very nice for us. And that is all for today, and I'll get back to you with another edition.